Action.
What's your list?
That old dog down yonder.
That old Tim Johnson,
Yeah.
What's he doing?
I don't know, Scout. We better go home.
Aw, Jim, it's February.
I don't care. Going to tell Cal. Cal, can you come down to the sidewalk for a minute?
What for, Jim? I can't come down to the sidewalk every time you want me to.
There's something wrong with an old dog down yonder.
God, Jim. I can't wrap up dog's foot now. There's some gauze in the bathroom. Go get it and do it yourself.
He's sick, Cal. Something's wrong with him.
What's he doing? Trying to catch his tail?
No, he's doing like this. He's gonna like that, only he means to.
Are you telling me a story, Jim Finch?
No, Cal, I swear I'm not.
Was he running?
No, he's just moseying along, so slow you can't hardly tell him. He's coming this way.
I don't see any dog.
Look, there he is. He's gone.
Woo! Get back to the house, kids!
Stay inside, son. Where is he, Cal?
He ought to be out there by now.
He's not running, is he?
No, sir. He's in twitching state, Mr. Heck.
Should we go after him, Heck?
We better wait, Mr. Finch. They usually go in a straight line. We can never tell.
There he is.
Okay, stop.
All right, go. Keep going.
Keep going.
You're a rabid dog, remember?
Look at him. Mr. Heck said they walked in a straight line. He can't even stay in the road.
He looks more sick than anything.
Let's let anything get in front of him, and he'll be coming straight at it. He's got it all right, Mr. Finch.
He's within range, Heck. You better go get him before he goes down the side street. Lord knows who's around the corner. Go inside, Cal.
Take him, Mr. Finch.
Don't waste time, Heck. Go on.
Mr. Finch, this is a one-shot job.
Don't just stand there, Heck. He won't wait all day for you.
For God's sake, Mr. Finch, look at where he is. Miss, and you'll go straight into the Radley house. I can't shoot that well, and you know it.
I haven't shot a gun in 30 years.
I'd feel mighty comfortable if you didn't have.
Bang! Oh! My cat is dead! Okay, stop. Ah! Stop. Boom!
And
You were a little to the right, Mr. Finch.
Always was. Stop.
oh.
Starring Mitchell as Jem.
Hi, this is the cast and crew, and I'm Apple Bango.
I'm Billy Coach.
I play Jem and the second cameraman.
I play Scout, the dog, and Heck Tate.
Yeah.
Woo! Alright!
Zoom.
Hi, I'm Andrew Sopanos, and I did Atticus and cameraman.
And this was behind the scenes with the cast and crew.
Stop!
Hello.
Oh.
Hello, this is the cast and crew.
Producer, Mr. Smartell, the main man on the job.
Look at that stuff.
Woo! Adolf Hitler.
Adolf Hitler sucks.
Shut up!
This is
No,
our,
I'm not. This is our fan club right here.
Yeah,
That's how many people are coming out to see the movie.
We tried.
Yeah, we try. We definitely try.
Take a video of me.
Alright.
That's a number one fan.
Yeah, number one fan. Right there, big boy.
Give us the deuce.
Woo!
I like your Crocs.
Zoom in. Crocs.